Damn, it feel good to see people up on it.
And you say New York City?
Damn, it feel good to see people up on
They
it.
on it.
Damn, it feel good to see people up on it.
I know they are.
Hey, this is my review of the air humidifier from Air Innovations. Now, this humidifier has two big water tanks, built-in filter, ionized to release that mist as you see coming here. This unit has a long and tall stack, and it has adjustable spout. This unit has two large water tanks that can last about, well, they claim 180 something hours. And on a lower setting, probably so. This one does last long though, longer than any humidifier had. As far as the issue with the hard water, I do not have that in my city. But if you have that, you might have to use distilled water. This unit has key controls here. Get a little closer look. On and off, auto shut off, mist, humidity, display. These key controls help you adjust the mist, so you can put it on low, and then you'll see the mist start to slow down. Then you can put it a little higher. You'll see it start to spew out more. Then the last setting is turbo. Turbo! Then you can adjust the humidity level. The humidity level is the level you desire to reach. This is the humidity level now, currently in my room. This here, as you can see, is the filter for the water. This tank is empty, soon about to be refilled. And here's the next side. You have your on and off, your display starter, delay starter. So you can start it up, let the water sit in there for a while, so the filters could do its job a little bit for the first couple of minutes. And then after you have the auto off, like a timer, turn it off, and the beep and dim of the unit, so you don't have to keep hearing the beep. It's late at night and everything else like that. And dim down the LED. So far, I had this thing almost going on, I would say 3 weeks, and it's really have been a change in my room. I used to wake up, my throat hurting, air feels real dry and stale. This unit has made things way better. I got this unit from QVC.com, and I must say that it's been doing a great job. Great job. Will I recommend it? Yes. If you don't have hard water in your house, this would be a good unit. If you have a distilled maker or have distilled water you can afford to buy, I would recommend it. Now I'm going to show you how to do the refill process. So you take each individual tank, fill it up with some water. I recommend warm water. probably cold depending on you. The hot water, I don't truly recommend unless you have good pipes, because hot water usually have rust hidden down in it. Well, more rust, I should say. So you just basically fill it up till it gets to the top. This is a big tank. This is just the right side of the tank here. So you just fill this thing on up. And yeah, simple as pie. And here's the filter. Put that thing on in there and turn it close. So like I said, this is the right tank. This is the one that goes first because it has a stem. So we're going to replace the tanks now, put them back on top. There's a little bit water left in there. I didn't clean in there yet, but you know, you have to clean in there sometimes too. So you put the tank on. Like I said, the right side goes first. It'll be your left. And sits right in there on top. Make sure no water gets inside the unit or leaks down the unit before you plug it up. And now here is the left side, your right. And plug that thing right up in there. There you go. And now the unit is almost complete. We're just missing now the spout. I'm going to take this part and put it in there. It should fit snug with the base of the unit, with the body of the unit, I should say. It has 2 ports here for the mist to come out. Close it to make it one powerful one. You can split it apart. I like to split it apart. Nah, I mean. Well, that's it. Like and subscribe. Holla at you.